I don't know right now, but when we left, Josh was saying that they're expecting 10-foot falls out in the Gulf.
And how far are we from the Gulf?
We're in it right now. We're going around it. Yeah.
So are we going to go up to where the glacier was?
No, I just need the boat. I just need to get back to land.
We're headed that way.
I'm a landlubber, not a sea one.
You'll be okay. Exactly. It'll be a good story. Just imagine you lived through it.
Haven't got there yet. Oh no, he's stopped. That's not good.
Exactly.
Oh, gee.
When are the salmon coming? Salmon and beetroot.
Oh. Do you think they could serve it with this boat going like this?
Oh,
Probably not.
jeez.